Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video on how to read deleted WhatsApp message. Yes, read deleted WhatsApp message. I'm sure so many of you have been wondering how to do this. Like somebody sends you a message and before you read, the person has deleted the message. So today I'm going to show you how to read those deleted messages. But before we get into this, if you want to see more of this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Turn on your notification icon also. Without further ado, so let's dive into it. So first things guys, what you need to do is open your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store and you go to your search and type Notisave. Once you do that, you can see the app here. This is how the notification looks like. Then you click on install. You click on install. So once you wait for it to download, as you can see, it's a very good app and you can do a lot of things with it. It has so many other things you can do. Once you click on this, you can see something like see what the app is doing, private, safe and all that. So now wait for the app to install. It's almost there. Let's wait for it to install. It will take like 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's installed. Then we open the app. It's opening. So you see now, then you're gonna swipe right, click on swiping next, and you click on allow access to notifications. Once you do that, you click on next again, and you make the Notisave app active because you want it to be notifying you. So you click on it, then you allow. And once you do that, then you come back here and we go back. Then you allow Notisave to access photos, media files on your device. You allow. It's loading. Once it's done that, you see it brings us this option here. Then you click on next. So you don't want Notisave to block all your notifications. All you need to do is click here, then click here back, so you switch them off and you go back. So now what we're going to do now is to go to our WhatsApp and send a message. So now I'm going to show you how to do the trick of getting to read deleted WhatsApp messages. So now I'm trying to send a message. Okay, let's say you're trying to send a message to your boo and you don't want her to see something, maybe you forgot. Just let's say for example, how are you? Hello, how are you doing? And you send it. Then you mistakenly don't want her to see it anymore and you want to delete it. You click on delete. Once you delete it, so now she's not gonna see the message anymore. So now your boo now wants to see the message you sent to her, which you don't want her to see. So now we go to the app, go to the Notisave app, you open it. Now we have opened the Notisave app. So now you scroll down. This is the message that came in. So you open it. You see it says this message was deleted. So what you do, you click on it, open it, voila, see all what the person has sent to you. Now you are seeing the message and all. So with this app we can also check WhatsApp status. So you scroll down, you come down to WhatsApp status. So you see now you can see all your WhatsApp status and all. So if you want to save it, you click on it and all. So you see, like this one, you can save them. So click on this icon. After doing that, if you want to save that conversation, all you need to do is you hold it, then you click on this icon here. Once you do that, you take it to anywhere you want to save it to, either save to drive, anything. So I'm sure you'll be very happy to do this. So many people want to do this, so that's that about that. Now I'm going to show you how to read somebody's message without letting the person know you've read the message. Okay, as we all know with WhatsApp, once you send someone a message and the person has read it, it's going to show it 2 strict blue lines. That means the person has seen it and read it. But once the stuff shows 2 gray lines, means the person hasn't read it. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So let's type a message. So now you see the message is on the phone now. So all you need to do now is you go to the NotiSave app, and once you open it, you click on the person that sent you the message. So now you've read the message. I know, but let me show you something now. Go back to the WhatsApp app. See, still showing that you've not read the message. I'm sure this is really helpful. So guys, okay guys, I'm sure you've seen how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. So guys, I really advise, if you want to use this app, use it to its caution, because you never know who is reading your message. Am I wrong? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please click on the subscribe button, like, and turn on your notification icon. And if you're a new subscriber and you want to see more of this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I mean subscribe, you hear me? Subscribe. If not, let me not talk. Bye. See you guys.